Here are 5 of the world's wealthiest leaders, based on their personal fortunes and state resources. Last one shocked you, so stick with video.
Number 5, Sheikh
Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Dubai. Estimated wealth, $14 billion. The ruler of Dubai and vice president of the UAE, Sheikh Mohammed, has amassed his fortune through investments in real estate, tourism, and Emirates Airlines, as well as his family's oil wealth. Number 4. King Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, Saudi Arabia. Estimated wealth, $18 billion. The King of Saudi Arabia benefits from the royal family's extensive wealth derived from oil revenues and various global investments. Number 3. Hassan Al Bolkiah, Brunei. Estimated wealth, $30 billion. The Sultan of Brunei has vast wealth from the country's oil and gas reserves. He is also known for his extravagant lifestyle, including owning one of the world's largest car collections. Number 2. Vladimir Putin, Russia. Estimated wealth, $70 to $100 billion disputed. The Russian president's wealth is reportedly tied to hidden investments, stakes in companies, and control over state resources, although his exact net worth is a subject of speculation. At number 1, Mohammed bin Salman, Saudi Arabia. Estimated wealth, over $1.4 trillion through state control. As the Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia, MBS oversees the country's oil wealth through Saudi Aramco, the world's most. His personal lifestyle includes a $500 million yacht and a $300 million French chateau. Would you like details on any of these leaders? Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Follow me, thanks.
Follow me tiktok.com Master Effects Blur 559 thanks.